You can now add your intro and post submission pages on the form builder. These two pages are located on the left and extreme right sides at the bottom of the main builder page, respectively. What is the intro page? As the name implies, the intro page is displayed before your form. It can be helpful for communicating instructions, terms and conditions, or any information your form users need to know before they start filling out your form. To include the intro page from the builder, click on it at the bottom and toggle the button to see the intro page settings. Please note that the start text and button color can change your choice of text and color. You can then proceed to type in your message in the intro page message box and add links, formatting, and images to your message. When you scroll to the bottom of the same page, you can also change the text alignment and direction in the text placement section. Click on Save to save your intro page settings. Please note that after you have set up the intro page, visitors will see a Start button at the top, which takes them to your form when they click it. Now let's learn how to set up the closing page. The closing page allows you to set a customized final message to display to your form users after they successfully submit a form. To include the closing page from the builder, scroll to the bottom right of the builder page and click on the closing page. After you have enabled the closing page, you can set the following options on this feature. 1. You can redirect your form respondents to your preferred website after they have finished completing the form. 2. This will enable the option for your respondents to print out their responses after submitting the form. 3. With this option, your respondents would be shown a button to submit another response after completing the form. 4. Select the field you would like to reference its value by clicking on the tiny arrowhead in the Insert Form data box. This will display a drop-down menu containing all the fields that can be inserted in your message. 5. Input your message in the closing message box. You can use the fields, which would contain the answers your respondents inputted, from the Insert Form data box to personalize your post-submission page, closing page message. When you scroll to the bottom of the same page, you can also change the text alignment and direction in the text placement section. Click on Save to save your closing page settings.